SWOT analysis and organizational design. Organizational design is a strategic process that requires a deep understanding of a company's internal and external environment. One of the most effective tools for assessing an organization's structure and strategy is the SWOT analysis, a framework that evaluates strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. By applying SWOT analysis to organizational design, businesses can optimize structures, improve decision-making, and drive long-term success. In this lesson, we'll explore how SWOT analysis informs organizational design and practical ways to apply it. What is SWOT analysis? SWOT analysis is a structured approach to assessing an organization's position in the market. It consists of 4 key components: strengths, internal advantages that give the company a competitive edge; weaknesses, internal limitations that hinder growth or efficiency; opportunities, external factors the company can leverage for success; threats, external risks that could negatively impact the organization. By evaluating these factors, companies can align their organizational design with strategic goals. How SWOT analysis shapes organizational design. 1. Leveraging strengths to enhance structure. Identify core competencies and build teams around them. Develop leadership structures that maximize expertise. Strengthen decision-making processes based on key strengths. Hack 2. Addressing weaknesses in organizational structure. Recognize inefficiencies in hierarchy, communication, or workflows. Implement new processes or training programs to close skill gaps. Redesign reporting lines to improve accountability and performance. 3. Capitalizing on market opportunities. Adapt organizational design to seize emerging trends or technologies. Expand departments or create cross-functional teams to explore new ventures. Develop agile structures to remain competitive in a dynamic environment. 4. Mitigating external threats. Anticipate industry disruptions and design flexible structures to respond quickly. Strengthen risk management and contingency planning within teams. Improve internal communication to ensure a rapid response to market challenges. Steps to conduct a SWOT analysis for organizational design. 1. Gather key stakeholders. Involve executives, department heads, and team leaders for a comprehensive assessment. Encourage input from employees across different levels. 2. Analyze internal strengths and weaknesses. Assess company culture, leadership, employee skills, and operational efficiency. Identify gaps in communication, processes, and team collaboration. 3. Examine external opportunities and threats. Research industry trends, competitor strategies, and economic conditions. Identify technological advancements and regulatory changes that impact structure. 4. Develop actionable strategies. Use SWOT insights to refine organizational hierarchies and workflows. Align team structures with business growth objectives. 5. Implement and monitor changes. Introduce organizational adjustments in phases to minimize disruption. Measure performance metrics and adjust strategies as needed. Case studies, SWOT analysis in action. 1. Amazon using strengths for scalable growth. Strength, strong logistics network and technology integration. Action, designed a decentralized yet interconnected fulfillment structure to enhance efficiency. 2. Tesla overcoming structural weaknesses. Weakness, bottlenecks in production and supply chain delays. Action, reorganized manufacturing processes and introduced automation to improve output. 3. Netflix adapting to market opportunities. Opportunities shift from DVD rentals to streaming. Action, created agile product teams to rapidly develop and scale the streaming platform. Final thoughts. SWOT analysis is a powerful tool that helps organizations align their structure with strategic goals. By understanding internal strengths and weaknesses while responding to external opportunities and threats, businesses can design resilient, adaptive, and high-performing organizations. A well-structured organization built on SWOT insights is more agile, efficient, and positioned for long-term success. In the next lesson, we will explore how to integrate change management into organizational design for smoother transitions and long-term stability.